Hey you guys, are you ready to do some jazz today? Have you ever taken a jazz class? It's kind of like ballet, but it's got a lot more wiggling. So I've got my special hat, which I like because it kind of reminds me of a Fosse style hat. And Fosse style is a very, very famous style of dancing. Something that you'll learn when you get older. But that's where my hat is inspired by. And then I just really like my shirt and the rest of my outfit. So today's class is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna break down a bunch of different steps and then we're gonna put it all together to make one little combo. So let's get started. Go grab a spot where you have room to dance. Need lots of room for jazz. Well, not a bunch, but you know, enough room. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start with what is called a pivot turn. And if you've ever played basketball before, basketball players do a pivot turn the exact same way dancers do them. So first let's talk about them while I'm looking at you. And then I'll turn around and we'll practice all on the same leg together. So, we're gonna go ahead and place our hands on our hips because we wanna kind of get them out of the way so we don't have to worry about them or think about them. We're gonna take 1 foot forward. Step forward, 1. Keep the feet where they are. Now, you will notice that whatever leg you stepped forward with, I want you to take the other hand and I want you to point it out to the side. That's the way we're gonna turn, so keep your feet where they are, rise up on your toes, and half a turn. Good job. Keep your arm there. Take that same foot that did a step, and I want you to step again. Step, rise up on the toes, turn the way the finger is pointing, turn, 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 turn. Done. You just did a pivot turn. Let's try again with the hands out. So leg goes front, half a turn. Leg goes front, half a turn. Good job, shake it out. That's called a pivot turn. I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna do several to the music a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Ready, begin. 5, 6, ready, and forward, half a turn. Forward, half a turn. Let's go. Step forward, pivot turn. Try again. Step forward, pivot turn. A little faster. Forward, pivot turn. You got it? It's super easy once we get it. Okay, if you're having trouble, is this what's happening? Are you stepping forward? Can you see my legs? And turning the wrong way, and then your legs get twisted like a pretzel. That's because we're turning the wrong way. We want to turn the other way. So you always want to turn so that the legs do not twist like a pretzel. They twist very easy. Pivot turn. Okay, shake it out. The next thing is called the chasse. Now, it's also called a lindy. It used to be called a lindy, now we call it a chasse. Doesn't matter, it's just like galloping. So, hands on our waist, and all that we do is we go down, side together, side. Clap, clap. Side together, side. Clap, clap. Side together, side. Side together, side. Try a big girl arm. Shut up, sit. Shut up, sit. Shut up, sit. Shut up, sit. Good job. Shake it out. Shake it out. Good job, you guys. Okay, this next one's kind of tough. It's called a kick, ball, change. And I'm actually going to turn to the side a little bit because I want you to be able to see how my legs move. So I'm going to place my hands back on my hips so that they're not in my way. something stuck on the bottom of your foot. Kick. Not a big kick. More like a flick. Flick. Try again. Flick. Little baby kick. This time go kick. And now rock like a horse and go ball change. Try it again. Kick. Ball change. Try again. Kick. Ball change. A little faster. Kick. Ball change. Kick. Ball change. Kick. Ball change. Kick. Ball change. Let's try the other leg. So swap those legs out. Here we go. Kick, ball, change. Let's start slow on the other leg to make sure we have it. Little tiny flick. Flick. Now it's like a rocking horse. Ball, change. Try again. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Okay. Feet together. This one's easy. It's just a step and clap. You can go along with me. You go step and clap and step and clap. Here we go. Step and clap and step and clap. If we went kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. We step and clap and we step. Try it again. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. We step and we clap. We step one more time. We kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Step and clap. Step and clap. Shake it out. Phew. Take a break. Maybe you need some water. Go grab a sip of water. Okay, come on back. Phew. Okay, this next thing is called a jazz square. So I'm going to turn around to teach this one because I think it's a lot easier to learn just like my legs. Let's place our hands back on our hips. Step forward with your left leg. That's this leg, you guys. Can you find this leg? The left leg. Step forward with that left leg. Go step. Take your right leg. That's this leg, you guys, and cross it over. Take that first leg, that left leg, and step back. And then take that right leg, that front leg, and step to the side. Shoo! You just did a jazz square. Let's try again. So, we use our left leg and we step. That right leg crosses in front. The left leg steps back. And the right leg steps to the side. Let's try a little bit quicker. Here we go. We go step and cross and back and side. Try again. Step and cross and back and side. One more step and cross and back and side. One more step and cross and back and side. Woo! Shake it out. Did you get that one? That one's kind of tough. Let's try the other leg. Okay, you guys, this time we're going to be stepping with our right leg first. So find it. Right leg. Step forward with the right leg. Step front. Use that left leg. That's this left leg, you guys, and cross it over. Take that first leg, that right leg, and step back. And then take that left leg and step to the side. Let's try a little bit quicker. Here we go. Step and cross and back, step side. Try again. It's step and cross and back and side. Try again. Step right, cross left, back right, open left. Shake it out. How did you do? Okay, last little step today. This one is super easy. We're just going to shake it over our heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And on the count 16, you're going to hit any pose you want. 16. It can be anything you want. 16 or maybe 16. You pick what works best for you. Let's try again. So remember, we've got 15 big sways over our head before we hit that big pose on what count? Pose on count 16. let's try. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job, you guys. Okay, I don't know about you, but let's put it all together. Okay, we've got pivot turn. And a really good song on. We've got chasse. We've got kickball change. We've got jazz squares. And we'll finish it off with the shakes. And then a really big pose. You got this? Pivot turn, chasse, kickball change, jazz square, shake it, pose. All right, let's see. Let me see if I can get just a little faster song. So you practice while I find the right song for us. You keep practicing and we'll find it. We'll find just the right song. This is one of my favorite songs, and if you were an 80s baby like I was, you might recognize it if you can hear it. We're always talking a little louder than the music so that we don't get muted on YouTube. So you can always play your own music once you learn these steps, and then just have our video running with it muted and your own music. Okay, you guys? So to review, we've got pivot turn. What comes next? Chasses. What comes next? Kickball changes. What's after that? Jazz squares, and then shakes and a pose. Here we go. 5, 6, ready. Here we go. It goes pivot, turn, pivot, turn, pivot, turn, pivot, chasse, chasse, clap, chasse, clap. Do it again, dancer, chasse, clap, chasse, clap. Kickball change, right, kickball change, we step and clap, kickball change, we step and clap, we step, we cross, step back, jazz square, right leg, now left and right, step back, one more time, cross and a back, try it again, it's step and cross and back, shake it over, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How did you do? Pretty good? Should we try again? Okay, here we go. 5, 6, ready, let's go. Pivot turn, try again. Good, one more. Chasse, here we go. Chasse. 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 Kickball change, you guys. Kickball change. Kickball change. We step and clap and try it again. Kickball change. Kickball change. We step and clap. It's jazz square time. It's right step, left cross. Try again. Cross it over. Finish it out, take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hold it. Hold that pose, dancers. Hold it. Woo! How'd you do, dancers? Jazz class is my favorite class. It's my favorite because it pulls from all styles of dance. We use our ballet, We use our modern training. We use our yoga training. We use our theater training. What else do we use? Oh, so many things pour into a good jazz class. And what we just learned are some really great basic steps for jazz dancing. And people use it when they are 3 years old to learn jazz, and if they are 99 years old. But pivot turns, kickball change, chasse, jazz square, and fun shakes, you're ready to go to at least start working on your jazz classes. So, homework. I've got a good idea for homework. Can you take all these steps that we just learned today and can you mix them up? Maybe you don't start with a pivot turn. Maybe you start with a jazz square. Maybe you start with a chasse. See if you can mix up the order. And a fun way to do it is to go ahead and write down these words. Another great thing to learn is how to spell all these words. So have Mommy help you. Ask her to go to the computer and see if we can print off the correct spelling for all the dance moves that we learned today. So pivot turn, we want to write that down on a piece of paper. Then we're going to write kickball change down on a piece of paper. We're going to write the word chasse, and chasse is spelled just like the word chase. And then it's got a funny little line above the E. And then you'll write down the word kickball change, and you'll write down the word jazz square on different pieces of paper. Oh, and the shakes. And then see, to make it fun game, if you can take all those pieces, spread them out on the ground, and pick them out, and then do the dance in that order. And then scramble them all together again, and then pick more out, and try it that way. See how many different stories that you can tell with really only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. See if you can tell 100 different stories using only 5 steps. And I want to remind you guys, the best thing you can do for your dancing is to smile. Have fun, you guys. See you next time. Bye.